nag-site pala dito ng collectible car. Yun yung mga lumang car. Ayan. Kind of cool. Show us! Not that. Ayan o, yung mga collectible car. Oh my God! Oh! Pinatapo yan na. Woohoo! Woo! That's cool! Oh, look at this! There's a show! Yay! Yay, yay! Uh-oh! And the next car, oh! Ayan, pinatuwan na. Oh, pa! Woohoo! Ito. Yeah, cool! Ayan, nakatuwad na ng isa.
Very good.
Show! Give us a good show! Mga collectible. Can you say that collectible car, Han? Antique car. Ganito pala dito sa Victoria, Canada. It's so fun. Yay! Yay! Ito naman motor. Oh, yan naman parang ano na, nadadapa na siya. Oh, ano nangyari dyan? Aha. Ganito pala dito sa ano, Victoria.
Chevrolet.
Give us a good show! Woohoo! Is this the city ng ano? Victoria? Ayan na yung police. Okay. I think that's the end of it. Oh, there's some more there.
Все идут, и мы пошли.
I think that's the end of it, huh? Look at that red car. Anong sasakyan yan, Han?
Cadillac.
Ha?
Cadillac. Nice Cadillac.
Oh my God, pinag pa naman itong bus. Is that expensive car? Yung Cadillac?
Those days.
But no more right now, right? Only that?
This is the old Chevy. Nice.
What is that?
Chevrolet.
collectible car. So, uso pala yan dito? Ha?
Yung mga...
Or nag-show lang sila ngayon?
Oo, may association sila.
Mahal yan, ipaayos. Na? O ano naman tong truck na to na parang nakubara na siya? Okay, that's it. Ang haba din ng parade nila.